Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Alright, so I'm back out here by where I had all that pipe delivered. I got the one over there, and I've already strung the rest of them out along the ditch here. One's already down into the ditch. One is around on the other side of that ramp to the pig pen there. So now I got to get it in because Guy Barris, the city guy, came by yesterday and said, "Hey, I'm turning on the irrigation water Thursday, so I got to get it done today because water is going to be flowing through there tomorrow." So I spent yesterday out here trying to clean all the pile of leaves here, just get them all out of here. There's piles of leaves all the way down. I still got some more to go, but I'm getting ready to stab the first pipe, and we're going to see how that goes. All right. Yeah, the pipe's not light. There we go. That was the easiest pipe. That one is in now. I just got to line it up here. So put some dirt over it so that it won't keep sliding into the other pipe. See, this is 15-inch. Brandon put some 18-inch over here, which he didn't have to put in, but that's what he got for free. So he put the 18-inch in. This just barely slides inside the 18-inch. So I need to put some dirt on this to keep it from sliding back and forth. Alright, so there we go. Got the first pipe backfilled mainly. I need to get this 2-inch pipe out of here, then I can pile more dirt up here and I can start just dragging it, and I can actually push down along here for a ways. And down over here, let me get over here where I can show you. The dirt on top, grass here on top of the that cement, so I get the camera aimed right here. Kind of hard to see what it's showing here. But right over there, that cement bulkhead where the irrigation gate is, I can scrape all that dirt piled up on top off and use it to help backfill the ditch as well. So now, I just have to finish going down here. I also need to finish getting the leaves down there out of the ditch. I can probably get at least one more pipe in here, maybe 2, before I have to finish moving the leaves. I gotta go get some help to stab the next piece of pipe here.